Joseph says despite two of the country's most recent loans amounting to over $500 million and public debt of over 60% of the country's GDP, there is no need for panic. He explained how the debt will be serviced.
That's what I'm saying. It's not a difficult thing to understand now. Growth, I explain that the growth in debt to GDP will reach 69. So what do you say? It was 108 and we brought it down. The ECCB guideline is 60. Most ECCU countries are over 70. So we're in a good position where we can manage our finances because it is not going up to 100% or above 100. And we cannot take it anyway because we have the fiscal responsibility law that guides us. And the financial institutions will not give you money if you are not disciplined. They do not see your ability to repay. So we are in a sound financial situation despite COVID and the reduction in revenue, and we have to produce a budget with a deficit because of sound and proper fiscal management. We will be able to manage.
Joseph explained in essence that government is not responsible for repaying the loan to the Chinese government for the $67 million Maurice Bishop International Airport runway expansion and road upgrade and rehabilitation project, but rather it's the airport's authorities' responsibility to do so. Government will only come in if the airport cannot meet their commitment in payment.
We have decided not to increase taxes. If you want to collect more recurrent revenue, you could increase taxes. We decided not to. In the area of grant, the Minister of Finance has presented a budget where he outlined that $174 million to finance the budget will come from grants, NTF grant, National Transformation Fund. Because of this grant, it allows us to borrow less. So the $330 million as a loan to finance the budget.
The minister stated that the $330 million loan to service the budget will be coming from various sources.
Various sources. That is a total. For example, the IDA, International Development Association of the World Bank, that is the World Bank financing, the 25 million US is very concessionary. You have 40 years to repay, 10 years grace period, 0.75% interest, but it's a loan. But if you get a loan at 0.75% interest, and for 10 years you do not have to pay, that is where we seek to get our next 25 million again.
I am Gerard Joseph for GBN News.